eyes and words are so icy, oh, but she burns like rum on the fire. Hot and fast and angry as she can be, I walk my days on a wire. It looks ugly, but it's clean. Oh mama, don't fuss over me. Way she tells me I'm hers and she's mine. Open hand or closed fist would be fine. The blood is rare and sweet as cherry wine. Call it spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling. I like my girl just like I like my honey. Sweet, a little selfish.
Plants in the English countryside you didn't know you could eat. Part 2. Dandelions. They are such magical plants. In the autumn you can dig up the roots, dry them and grind them and make coffee. The leaves are great in salads and the flowers are my favourite. They're so nice as a tea. You can also make something called dandelion honey, but I haven't done that yet because I'm a Leo and I'm lazy, but I have dried some flowers for tea. Always remember to leave at least 2/3 of the flowers that you find for the bees. The leaves get really big like this, and when they're like that they're bitter. So pick the teeny tiny ones like this. Happy foraging!
Currently accepting applications for anyone interested in starting a cottagecore commune with me, probably somewhere in like northern Italy or like Switzerland. I don't really know yet. We'll figure that out later. Anyways, there will be tea, a garden, there will be lots of baking, and I don't know, maybe a little bit of witchcraft. We'll figure it out when we get there. So you can submit your applications in the comments below. I look forward to reading them all. Thank you.
And there will come a poet whose weapon is a sword. He will slay you with his tongue. Ole, ole, o Lord. Ole, 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 o Lord. He will slay you with his tongue. Ole, ole, o Lord.
We talk
about horse girls and dinosaur boys, but we do not talk enough about tree girls. My entire sense of self-worth from ages 9 to 11 was based around how well I could climb a tree.
And there will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, oh Lord. Olay, 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 oh Lord. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, oh Lord. And there will come a poet whose weapon is a sword. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, oh Lord. Olay, 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 oh Lord. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, oh Lord. And there will come a ruler whose brow is laden thorn, smeared with oil like David's boy. Olay, olay, oh Lord. Olay, olay.
I might pull up flexing on these niggas like a rose. Give me love, give me love. I'm tired of being alone every night, struck out on cold.
I'll be out in public and I'm like, oh my god, like, why are people staring at me? Like, what the fuck? And then I remember I look like this.
Oh, to see without my eyes. The first time that you kissed me, boundless by the time I cried.
Hey bitch, you want a pixie stick? My mom says those turn you into a whore. Probably.
Go, 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 go. Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you. Nothing on you.
All cops are bastards, especially whatever dumb bastard cop you're related to.
ready for this, okay? All right?